मैम
Okay, so
आपकी स्क्रीन पॉज
good
हो
morning,
गई।
everyone. Okay, so we were discussing about this chapter, how the state government works. And in this chapter, we have already talked about MLAs, that is Member of Legislative Assembly. We talked about Chief Minister. We had a discussion about the role of MLA. And we also had a discussion about majority party and opposition party. Do you all remember?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
in today's class, we are going to talk about Legislative Assembly. As I have told you that India's government is divided into three bodies, right? Legislative body, executive body, and judiciary. So, जो legislative body है, उसका काम है क्या? Laws बनाना. And in central level, laws कहाँ बनते हैं?
Ma'am, in member of parliament.
Yeah, in central level, laws are made in parliament, and the members of parliament are MP, members of parliament. Okay, and in
Yes.
case state level, we have legislative assembly, जहाँ पे सारे laws and orders बनाए जाते हैं. So today we are going to have a debate. Okay, हम एक debate करने वाले हैं of legislative assembly कि किस तरह से legislative assembly function करती है, how MLAs of ruling party and opposition party interact. So we have students with us who will be participating in this debate. So wait a minute. Okay, so MLA 1, we have Adrita Das playing. Adrita, please turn your camera on.
यस मैम। यस मैम स्टार्ट।
Yes, Adrita.
Good morning. I am Adrita Dash. I am MLA 1. In my constituency of Akhanda during the last 3 weeks, there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea. I think it is a shame that this government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea while proclaiming itself to be a champion of technology. I could call the attention of the minister in charge of health to take immediate measures to control the situation. तो मेरी कंस्टिट्यूशन में अखंड गांव है, तो उस लास्ट 3 डेज में बहुत 15 डेथ्स हो चुका है, वो भी डायरिया के लिए। ये एक मतलब बहुत ही शर्म की बात है कि गवर्नमेंट को चेक नहीं कर रहा है। गवर्नमेंट को चेक नहीं कर रहा है कि वो सोच रहा है कि एक सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है, उसको छोड़ देते हैं। ये मतलब सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है डायरिया का। तो मैं इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं अटेंशन दे रही हूँ मिनिस्टर जो चार्ज हैं हेल्थ के लिए, वो इमीडिएट कंट्रोल कीजिए वो सिचुएशन को।
Okay, thank you, Adrita. So who do you think MLA 1 is? He is from ruling party or opposition party?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
opposition as
ma'am,
a
opposition party.
पार्टी।
Ma'am, opposition party.
Okay, Ashutosh, why is MLA 1 from opposition party? Anybody else? Pratanjali?
Ma'am, can I?
ma'am, MLA 1 is from opposition party because he is criticizing the government
Okay.
as a measure of its health department.
Yes, very good. Okay, so MLA 1 is from opposition party because he is criticizing the already existing government, and we know that the functioning of opposition party or opposition government is to criticize it. जो गवर्नमेंट काम कर रही है या नहीं कर रही है वो कौन देखेगा? ऑपोजिशन पार्टी देखेगा. Okay, so MLA 1 is from opposition party. Then who is MLA 2? Who is going to
Ma'am,
play? Okay, Shriyashri.
Good morning. My name is Sriyashridas. I am MLA 2. My question is, why are government hospitals in such a bad situation? Why is the government not appointing proper doctors and other medical staff in the district? I would also like to know how the government plans to deal with this situation, which is affecting a large number of people and is also spreading. This is an epidemic. Explain. मैम, मेरा सवाल ये उठ रहा है कि गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल इतने बैड सिचुएशन में क्यों है और गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल अपॉइंटिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर डॉक्टर्स का, मेडिकल स्टाफ का, ये सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। मैम मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि मैम ये महामारी की वजह से मैम बहुत सारे लोग मैम अफेक्ट हो चुके हैं और मैम बहुत सारे लोगों को भी हो चुका है। मैम मैम इस महामारी के चलते ही गवर्नमेंट कुछ एक्शन क्यों नहीं ले रही?
मैम
मैम आपको मालूम है
Okay, so who can tell me MLA 2 is from opposition party or ruling party?
मैम can I
He is
Opposition
from
party.
opposition party.
Aris, Aris, you
yes
say
मैम opposition party
opposition party. Why bacha? Why is he from opposition party?
मैम 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 वो गवर्नमेंट को मैम बाबा मैम वो शिकायत कर रहा था मैम तो ऑपोजिशन पार्टी
Okay, Aris said कि बार बार वो गवर्नमेंट की शिकायत कर रहा था. Okay, very good, Aris. Anybody else?
मैम मैम द MLA 2 is from opposition party because he was criticizing and insulting the government and in the base of also in the base of healthcare system in their and facilities provided by their government in their hospitals.
Yes. MLA 2 was asking questions about the healthcare facilities provided by the government. So we can say that MLA 2 is from opposition party. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
turn for MLA 3. Who is MLA 3?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Myself Karya. I am MLA 3. My constituency of Tolpatti 2 has a serious shortage of water. Women travel up to 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. How many tankers have been put into service to supply water? How many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected? I want to know the reason of scarcity of water in my constituency of Tolpatti, for which the women of my constituency have to face the difficulty to fetch water for their needs. I want to know whether the government has taken any initiative to overcome this problem or not, such as the tankers have been put into services or not. If yes, then how many tankers have been put into service, as well as how many number of wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected in my constituency to overcome the scarcity of water, and the people of my constituency have been benefited from this service or not. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Karya. So Karya was performing the role of MLA 3, and so according to her role and her dialogues, what do you think MLA 3 is from which party? Opposition party or ruling party?
Ma'am, the MLA 3 is from opposition party, ma'am, because he is also criticizing and asking a question about their facilities, good facilities provided by government to their people to.
Okay, so all of you think Ayush is correct?
yes मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So MLA 3 as played by Karya Iqbal, MLA 3 is from opposition party. Okay, वो अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के बारे में बता के उसको रिलेट करके बोल रहा है कि बाकी की जो गवर्नमेंट है, जो हमारी ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग गवर्नमेंट है, वो क्या कर रही है. So since he is questioning and criticizing the government, he is from opposition party. Then we have MLA 4. Who is MLA 4?
Yes, ma'am. I am MLA 4.
Okay, Sushri is MLA
Good
4.
morning. Good morning. I am Sushri Shivangi Sahu. I am playing the role of MLA 4. I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service, ORS packets are being distributed. The government is doing everything possible to help people. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे सहयोगी बात को बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बता रहे हैं. सरकार ने स्थिति को नियंत्रित करने के लिए कई कदम उठाए हैं. पानी के टैंकरों को सेवा में लगाया गया है और इसके पैकेट बांटे जा रहे हैं. सरकार लोगों की मदद के लिए अपनी हर संभव कोशिश कर रही है. थैंक यू.
Okay, very good, Sushri. Sushri was MLA 4, and what do you guys think? MLA 4 is from which party?
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am,
the
ruling
MLA
party.
4 is from the
Ruling party.
ruling party.
Ma'am,
Okay. Sushri, what do you think? MLA4 is from which party? You were from which party?
MLA4 is from ruling party.
Okay. Why is he from ruling
Ma'am,
party?
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, because he's trying to support the government and trying to show that the government has already taken steps to help people.
Okay. So since the MLA4 is talking about his own government, he's praising his own government, and that is why he's from ruling party. Okay. Okay. Then we have MLA5. Who is MLA5?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashish.
Yes, ma'am. We have very poor facilities in our hospital. There are no hospitals that do not have doctors and no facilities in our hospital. There are hospitals that do not have doctor and no medical staff and has been abandoned for last few years. In another hospital, the doctor has gone on a long leave. This is same. I think the situation is going from bad to worse. How are we going to ensure that ORS package reach all families in affected areas?
Okay, so Subhashish was playing the role of MLA5. So Subhashish, what do you think? MLA5 is from which party?
Opposition party.
Why he's from opposition party?
Because it is blaming the government and it is asking the government for its
Yes,
consequences.
because he's blaming the government and question from the government. Okay, so that is why he is from opposition party. Then we have MLA6. Who is MLA6?
Ma'am,
Anushri.
Anushri. Yes, ma'am. Happy morning. Happy morning. I am Anushri Tripathi. I am playing the role of MLA6. The opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government did not pay any attention to sanitization. We have now taken up a drive to clear the garbage that has been lying around for years. So MLA6 is taking the side of ruling party by saying that the opposition are just blaming the government unnecessarily and government has taken steps to clear the garbage. Thank you.
Okay, so MLA6 is from which party?
Ma'am, ruling
MLA6.
party.
Ruling party. Why he is from ruling party?
Ma'am, he is from ruling party because he is supporting the government that the previous government was not attending the sanitization part. This government is attending it and also clearing the garbage from the road that are lying for years.
Okay, very good. So, as Pratanjali said, that MLA6 is from ruling party, right? MLA6 is from ruling party, and so I hope that it is clear now from this debate, a small debate of Legislative Assembly. I hope you all have no doubts regarding who is ruling party, what is the function of a ruling party, or what is the function of a opposition party. Anybody? Do you have any doubt? Any doubt?
no, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, so
I
this was
thought
a debate of legislative. Say Aris.
मैम जो रूलिंग पार्टी मैम वो तो मैम काम कुछ होते हैं मैम तो अपोजिशन पार्टी मैम वो क्या करते हैं काम
See, opposite ruling party का काम है to make laws and orders. Okay, ruling party is the one who makes laws and orders because they are the MLA, na, member of legislative assembly. They have to make laws and orders for the benefit of people, for the benefit of society. But in case of opposition party का काम है to keep a check on the government. गवर्नमेंट अपना काम सही से कर रही है या नहीं, उसको और क्या नया करना चाहिए. सो ये सब काम कौन देखता है? ऑपोजिशन पार्टी. नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन कि इन गवर्नमेंट सिर्फ रूलिंग पार्टी होगी और ऑपोजिशन पार्टी नहीं होगी, उनका कोई काम नहीं होगा, तो डोंट यू थिंक कि जो रूलिंग पार्टी होगी वो अपना पावर का मिसयूज करेगी?
Yes.
यस और नो?
यस
ओके,
मैम
सो इन ऑर्डर टू कीप We have both. We have ruling party and opposition party. और हमारे गवर्नमेंट में ऐसे ही रोल्स डिवाइड किया गया है so that nobody can misuse their powers. Okay. So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
about
That's why the
legislative
election in
assembly. Yes. So from this debate, a debate in the legislative assembly and the debate between 6 MLAs, I hope it is clear that I hope you are all clear about the role of MLAs
Yes,
as a
ma'am.
from ruling party or
Yes.
so.